Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Barclays PLC, and although the stock is trending down from the last one decade, but if you look at this stock, then it is probably showing some bounce back in between which are very sharp, and probably this is the time when one can see the same thing is about to happen. Okay, so we are going to discuss all of this, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now the trend is very simple. Okay, and what you need to do, you need to keep your support and resistance level handy, understand that, and use stop losses whenever it is important to do so. And do not just jump inside the jungle with bare hands. Obviously there are lots of risk attached to it, so does in the stock market as well. So use your stop losses. That's a very important and powerful tool to save you not only your profit but also help you to manage your risk. Now let me just draw the trend for you so that you will have an idea about the current trend and the bounce back which I am talking about. So understand this, when I am saying bounce back, so consider it as a bounce back, and there is the most important part is to understand the sustainability, because the sustainability of the trend is in a question because it hasn't happened in the last 10 odd years. So you probably use it like a momentum, and whenever the trend is over, what you can do is just move out from the trend. Okay, just wind up your position and take your profits accordingly and enjoy it. That's it. Okay, because fundamentally there are lots of things which one need to understand, but at the end what we are looking at or analyzing it, whatever we are doing it for a price discovery, or uh, whether to invest in that particular stock and earn some money out of it or not. So that's the final goal, what I understand. If you have any other purpose, you can let me know in the comment section, but that's how I understand. And there are ways to define the trend or define the price through fundamental, technical, or any other analysis if one have in their kitty. Now this is the trend which I am talking about, where it is very calculated and you know your exact support and resistance level. So let me quickly tell you. You have your first sort of support at 92, then below that you have your next support at 83, and your final support will come at 70. And if the stock or the share falls below 70, obviously one should not have any trend. So it is up to them whether somebody is not feeling comfortable below 92, they can wind up their position. After that, if somebody can take it till 83 or 70, that is up to the individual and how he or she thinks about that. Now on the upside, you have your first target or resistance at 129. Above that you have 138. Okay, so these are the two most important levels which one need to look at. And if the stock moves above that, then you have 172, then 191, and finally you have 204. So these are all the levels which one need to look at, and for the time being, do not, as I've already told you, this can probably be a trading bounce back. So, and these are the levels. Okay, so these are the levels which one can see, because the stock is yet to reach this level. So these are all your support, resistance, or target levels, and below are the levels of support which one needs to look at and acts accordingly. So stay within the trend, and if the global equity market gives you an indication that it is about to move higher and a big stock market bull run is about to happen or already started. Okay, I am saying stock market bull run, not economic expansion or bull run that we will see in the later months or years if it will happen. But what is sure that a stock market bull run has already happened, so it's no need to you know mix and combine Wall Street with Main Street. I'm talking about Wall Street, not the Main Street. Okay, so here you have your trend, and what you need to do, stay with the trend, use your stop losses appropriately, and that would be fine. You probably have a sharp up move on the upside. You just understand the level. If you are comfortable uh, with or satisfied with the target of 172, just take your profit out at 172. If you feel that it will move towards 200, then wait for that. It is up to you. If you feel that 191 is a best level, better level, then you can stay with that. If you think 138, because we don't know what will be the last you know uh, which price will stay last, so we don't know about that. So understand the trend. So if you're feeling comfortable at X level, then stay with that, but do not overstay your welcome. That's the most important thing you one need to understand here. So this is the end of the video. And one more thing, it will take, do not just limit your time that I want this price to be moved in next 2 months. If it will happen, then that's a different thing. Otherwise it will take considerable amount of time, which you have, let's say last time from 2011 then till 2013. So this is a trend of 2 years. Okay, and if you just extend the trend, then it stays up to 2015, but it went down. So again from 2000 to 2015, it's a trend of a year. Then you have a trend which stays for let's say 3 months. Okay, after that you have a trend which stay for around a year. So it will take a year or two. That's what you need to understand. So if you have those if you don't have time limit, then it is fine, that it would be very good. And meanwhile what you can do, you just need to change your stop losses. That's what you need to do. And if you are making profits, voila. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.